Do you feel like you are stuck in a rut with your current job? Are you ready to start your own online business, but do not know where to begin? If so, then this video is definitely for you. I'm going to show you 10 secret online side hustles that can help you make some extra money until your business is up and running. These businesses are perfect for people who are looking to get their start in entrepreneurship without a large financial investment. So if you are ready to start making some real progress in your life, then be sure to watch this video all the way through. Number 10. Sell T-shirts online. You can make money by selling T-shirts online. All you need is a design and a printing service. Canva.com is a great place to find designs. You can make changes to the designs or create your own. Once you have a design, go to Printful.com and sign up for a free account. Upload your design, and Printful will print it on a T-shirt. They have an integration option that allows you to list your T-shirts on different selling platforms. You can also do Facebook ads to sell your products. This is how you can make extra money by selling T-shirts online. Before moving to number 9, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. That way, you can be sure to get all the latest tips and tricks. Number 9. Make money as student. As a student, making money can be tough. But if you go to sidehustlestack.co, you can easily find work in the category you want to work in. Just choose a platform and start making money. It's a great way to make some extra cash while you are in school. Number 8. Become Apple Home Advisor. Apple will pay you $18 per hour for helping others with their Apple products. You'll need to be able to use Apple products and have good customer service skills. To get started, go to Google and search for Apple Home Advisor. Click on the first result. Watch the video for the Home Advisor introduction. Apple will train you at your home, and you will also get paid for the training. Apple will provide you with a computer and pay your internet bill. Number 7. Make $50 per hour. Do you ever feel lonely or like you could use some more friends? Well, there's a solution for that: rent a friend. You can earn up to $50 an hour just by being a friend to someone. All you have to do is sign up for a free account, fill out your profile, and if someone makes you a friend, you'll be paid per hour. You can work from anywhere in the world, there are no set hours, and you can be your own boss. So what are you waiting for? Go to rentafriend.com today and start making some new friends and some extra cash. Number 6. Make $3,000 for teaching. Wouldn't it be great to get paid for doing something you love? If you have a skill that you could teach others, then Skillshare is the perfect platform for you. With Skillshare, you can earn royalties for every minute that your video is watched, and it's all passive income. That means you can earn money while you sleep. To get started, just go to Skillshare.com. Scroll down to the footer website and click on the Become a Teacher button. Then, simply create a video teaching your chosen skill. You can earn up to $3,000 per month doing something you love. So, what are you waiting for? Number 5. Earn from YouTube without showing face. If you are looking to make some quick and easy money on YouTube without having to show your face or record any videos, this is the method for you. All you need to do is create a channel on YouTube, then head over to Pexels and find some free rain videos. Next, go to a free audio website and find some rain sounds. Use any free tool to join the audio and video together, then upload it to your channel and start earning. Number 4. Make $100K per year. Well, this might be the weirdest side hustle you've ever heard of, but it can earn you a lot of money. Just go to humanmicrobes.org and become a donor. Donate your stool and you'll be paid $500 per stool, up to $180,000 per year. So if you are looking to make some quick cash, this is definitely the way to go. Number 3. $2,000 per week for laundry. Do you have a washer and dryer at home? If so, you could be making extra cash by offering your laundry services to others. LaundryCare.biz is a site that connects people who need laundry services with those who are willing to provide them. All you need to do is sign up, set your radius, and wait for someone to place an order. Once you receive an order, you simply pick up the clothes, wash them, and deliver them back to the customer. Not only is this a great way to make some extra money, but you can also earn tips for providing high-quality service. So why not give it a try? You could be making $2,000 or more per week in no time. Number 2. Become YouTube Ads Specialist. There are very few people who are aware of this side hustle and how lucrative it can be. By becoming a YouTube Ads Specialist, you can earn a six-figure income by simply offering your services on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. All you need to do is sign up on Skillshop.withgoogle.com. Learn Google Ads and get your certificate. Once you have your certification, simply sign up on Upwork or Fiverr and start offering your services. Bonus tip: there are a lot of ways to make money online, but most of them require a lot of time and effort. If you are looking for a way to make money without having to commit a lot of time, there's a way to make passive income. This is my all-time favorite way to make money online, and I'll tell you all about it in a separate video. If you are interested, click the link in the description to find out more. Number 1. Earn money with photos. Well, what if I told you that you could make up to $5,000 from just one photo? With Clickasnap.com, you can do just that. All you have to do is create a free account and upload your photos. Then, you'll get paid based on how many views your photos get. Or, if you want to make even more money, you can sell your photos. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and start earn money with your photos. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to check out our other videos. We have a lot of great content that we think you'll love. Also, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel so that you do not miss any of our new videos. We upload new videos every week. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you soon.